Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off new health records notifications for lab results or medications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings screen, we scroll down. And then in here, tap on health. Next, tap on notifications. Then we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on health notifications. Health notification settings. And then in here, tap on new health records. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is switched on, you can receive a notification when new health records like lab results or medications are downloaded from one of your accounts. And that's it. Tap on the done button to save the changes. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.